Hey, what's going on, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out a 2024 Harris Solstice 250. As you can see from the exterior, this boat has an extremely unique look with having matte colors with the gray and the black accent. Absolutely phenomenal looking boat, especially with the black rails. But let's go ahead and jump on the interior and show you what this thing can do. All right, guys, now on board the Solstice. So up here in the bow, absolutely amazing seating on this. So the Solstice Model 2, keeping this in mind, guys, this is when we really start stepping into the luxury end of Harris float boats. So if you see, we have the pillow top cushions on this boat, so it is extremely comfortable. This is like sitting back in the lazy boy, whether you're back there in the captain's chair or up here in the bow. Phenomenal seating area. Now we also have ample storage as well. Rock this guy back and have tons of storage, and it all is self-bailing as well, so it keeps a lot of that rainwater out of those seats for you. Then, of course, we have this absolutely amazing option here. It is such a small thing, but everybody loves it because it is a nice little footrest, but it also duals as a cooler. And this is the Ottoman cooler, if you guys are wondering what the name of it is. And this can move around no matter where you want it. It's got some extra cup holders too. So even good to sit on the back swim platform you guys are floating in the water. Then moving a little bit closer to the midship, we have a ski locker right here, nice wide open lid, so that way it's super easy to stuff items in there. And also does have a bilge pump to pump out any excess water that could happen during a heavy rainstorm. Then coming over here to the port side L bench, this is a great little comfortable spot and also has some great storage features as well, such as having a trash can on board. I know what you're thinking, it might be able to fit somewhere around 7 beers, but you know what? It's still a good little additive to have on here. Then on the backside over here, we have one of the coolest features is having a nice little pull-out table. It's super easy to use. Pull it out whenever you're ready to use it. It's extremely sturdy. And then folding it back in place, pull it up, kick it in, you're done. Then coming over to the helm station, you'll realize this does have a raised helm. So this actually makes it so much easier to look over your passengers that could be sitting in the bow to make your driving confidence and coming up to the dock a lot better. Then talking about making your confidence better, we also do have twin Simrads. One is capable of displaying the chart plotter while the other one can display the engine info. In this case, we just have the twin chart plotters going on. Then you have a beautiful switch panel down here for the Solstice models. So this is gonna have interior lighting on it. It's gonna have exterior, a little bit of everything, and obviously the controls for your electric bimini top that this boat has. Now coming on back to one of my favorite features back here, which is this lounger on the Solstice. This is when it becomes full length. So this not only is comfortable for the passengers on this side, but it is on that side as well, as all I gotta do is push this guy to the back, or I can lay it even flatter all the way down, and have some other things back here that we could do as well. But now to wrap up the video for you guys, we got some great little safety railings encapsulating the stern here. And then of course, going to a stainless steel tow bar right in front of a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard, which is a V8 and is one of the quietest motors in the game. So anyways, guys, if you want to take this boat out for a test drive, or if you just have some questions, please let us know. My name is Connor. Thank you.